A top court in Varanasi is expected to decide today on a plea by Hindu petitioners about the Gyanvapi Mosque. Now, this plea calls for scientific investigation, including using the carbon dating technique for a purported shivling that was found inside the Gyanvapi Mosque complex a few months ago during another court ordered video filming survey inside that mosque complex. Now, what the Hindu petitioners, so four of the five Hindu petitioners, and I'll just elaborate on why I'm saying four of the five Hindu petitioners, but four of the five Hindu women who are petitioners in this case have said in court or have filed a plea in court saying that a scientific investigation of this purported shivling can help determine its age and can help buttress their case or put forward their case in a more forceful manners, and they have said that it is also necessary or intrinsic to their original plea of year-long access to a shrine inside the mosque. Now, the mosque committee has opposed this scientific investigation plea. They are saying that look, no shivling was found inside. It is just a structure, a stone structure, a fountain, and that how do you date something like this? How do you determine anything about it? And they say that it is against the law. Now, the court of district judge A.K. Vishwesh has to decide on this, and it's likely to pass orders on this today. Now, why did I say four of the five Hindu petitioners? I'd like to elaborate on that also. One of them, Rakhi Singh, one of the original petitioners, she says that she is also against this carbon dating or scientific investigation plea, and she says that it is something that should not be done. So she also says, or her lawyers say, that in as much as not asking for a scientific investigation of this purported shivling, they are with the mosque committee. So it's now essentially the other Hindu women on whose plea the judge has to decide. Just to also recap the case, if you remember, a few days ago or a few weeks ago, the court of this district judge has said that the original plea about year-long access to the shrine inside the Gyanvapi Mosque complex, it will go on. It has legal standing. If you remember last year, this case started in court and then a video filming survey was ordered by a lower court in Varanasi itself. That filming was challenged before the Supreme Court of India. The filming did go through eventually, and that's when media leaks or leaks to the media suggested that a purported shivling had been found. Uh, After that, the Supreme Court transferred the case to Varanasi's topmost judge, which is the district judge, and that district judge has now ruled that the case will go on. So once the case started being heard again, a host of pleas were filed, including this plea for scientifically investigating this purported shivling, including from the Archaeological Survey of India. Carbon dating, again, it's a complex process. One wonders how it will be applied to a stone structure at the end of the day, which the Hindu side says is a shivling and the Muslim side says a fountain. So one waits to see what happens, but a very complex case unfolding in many ways in the court in Varanasi. So another important landmark likely today in the court of Varanasi's district judge. With camera person Rajesh Gupta, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.